Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute baby Yoda from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw baby Yoda as a Squishmallow, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across and draw another circle. And so let's come in here, since they're pretty big, you can make them draw so cute eyes. So let's put two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. But if you don't want to make them draw so cute eyes, you just put two of these highlights and then you shade in everything else black. And lines at the bottom, and same thing on this side. So thank you Drastic Cuties for always loving my Squishmallow drawings, and you know how much I love Squishmallows because they're just so cute and simple. And so when I saw that Squishmallows had this Star Wars pack with Baby Yoda here, I had to draw it for you. But unfortunately, I don't have one to show you because I guess they're very, very popular. Okay, so we have the eyes in. So let's come in between the eyes, and right in between, I'm going to draw a small little curve for the nose. Just a small little curve. And then underneath this, let's draw a smile. So I'm going to come about right here and go up. And I'll just make the center part slightly thicker. There. Aw, so cute already, right? Okay, so then let's come, let's say bottom of this eye right here, just come out, give it a good amount of room. You know what, let's start with the center of the eye. I think that's a little bit easier. Okay, let's come to the center of this eye, come out, let's say about right here. Do the same thing on the other side, about right here. Just about the same amount of room. And basically I'm going to start to draw a big curve over the eyes. Just start to draw the head. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure my center is the tallest part. So let's go up. And about right here will be my highest point. And come down. If you're more comfortable drawing the shape, this round shape for the Squishmallow head first and then drawing the eyes, you can definitely do that as well. It's just by drawing the eyes, because I can't erase, by drawing the eyes first, I just have, I can make sure I know where everything needs to be. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. Just start to straighten out a tiny bit. About right there. And then I'm going to start to draw the little collar on his little outfit. So let's come about right here. And if you like, you can wobble a little bit as you come down. And as I come to the center, I'm going to come in and come out from here and wobble my way across. Just very, very slightly. Just to make it look more like that, the thicker fur material. Okay, so then let's come out right here, pop it out, and give it a little bit of wobble. And same thing here. Give a little bit of wobble if you like. If you're not comfortable doing that, just make it smooth. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come down once again, and I'm just kind of following that curve. And about right there, I'm going to stop because I need to bring this down and connect. And do the same thing right across. There. Now it looks like an egg, right? Okay, so I promise it's going to come together. So then let's come down here and we're going to draw the rest of the Squishmallow body. So just bring out a curve And I'm just going to round it off towards the bottom and flatten it out. And connect. So from there, let's change this egg into Baby Yoda. And the first thing we need to do is to give him some wrinkles, right? So right here over the eye, I'm going to draw a soft curve above his eye. And then right here, I'm just going to continue this curve and go up and over like there. So this is just indication of the wrinkles. So same thing over here, right over the eye. I'm going to draw a curve. And same thing. Just get a slight curve. And then just going to draw a center one right here. And then two more. There. Just lightly. Or you can do this when you're coloring and just make it like the darker green instead of black. Then it won't be so harsh. Okay, so then finally now the ears. So let's pop them up about right here. I'm going to come out about here. Just bring them out. And maybe about right here, I'll just give it a little curve. Round off the tip. And bring it right back in. And let's draw the inside. So right here is going to be a lot thicker. Go up. And now we're going to get thinner and then just follow your outside. Okay, finally, right? Starting to look like Baby Yoda. So let's bring this across this point since I'm drawing pretty big, and it just helps me figure out where to go, and right here. So same thing, let's go up. And approximate length is this other one. So say about, look at my camera. Okay, about right there. And just bring it down and in like the other ear. Back to your point. And once again, same thing, thicker over here and getting thinner, and then just follow the outside. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? I hope. And of course, oh, I almost forgot. Right here, we need to draw a line. Well, I mean, easier than, say, drawing a normal Baby Yoda. And right here, of course, I have to add a heart to make it my Draw So Cute Baby Yoda from Squishmallows. And that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw Baby Yoda here, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.